The reason why we're here today is our first video. We want to explain to you more about the process of engineering, developing a consumer product from the beginning to the end. And we just finished assemble two products here. Development of these products, which were very complex, included everything from basic concepts to mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, including the software, firmware, and the hardware development, testing, and now prototyping. This is the first prototype. Everything is done by us, by expert team. Everything is done in 3D. Everything was first designed, industrial design that you can see on the screen. What was the first step, and also what client provided to us. Then the next step was mechanical engineering together with electrical engineering, because when you're making a unit, something like this, you need to make sure that everything is covered. So this is a big speaker. From both sides you can see big enclosure. It's full of electrical components that you can see on the screen, a couple of PCBs, and everything was just assembled today. Everything needs to go at the same time. Electrical engineering together with the mechanical engineering, because of the components, how the components will fit, how the components will attach, cable management, and so on. On the other side, we have the microphone. These two devices, they pair together. And same thing, we have a device that has electrical components inside a plastic enclosure. Again, both phases, mechanical and electrical, were done at the same time by our team. So we will be sure that everything fits perfectly before we deliver this to the client. So again, this is the first prototype, but last step in this whole process. After now testing and so on, we will move to a completely new project where we will upgrade this to the version 2 and then version 3. So as I mentioned before, first step is definitely industrial design, then mechanical engineering, together in this case with electrical engineering, where we develop firmware and hardware, and then a prototype. Prototype in this case includes plastic enclosure done by 3D printing in this case, and hardware also, PCBs and all off-the-shelf components such as these knobs, screen, connectors, switches, and so on was sourced from the MacMaster or DigiKey. Everything was sourced in US and made in US. Overall, that's the whole process of these two devices that you're gonna see probably soon on the market by our client. So thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.